Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price made a very nice movement today. Now, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back here a little bit. But when you step back and consider, where the price was yesterday to then where it closed today, I think everybody can agree that this here was still a nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid question and logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is here at $7.30. Why is $7.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $7.30. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Not saying this will happen. Let's just pretend this pullback gets that much more deeper and the price comes down here and then does something like this. What would you have in this situation after a pretty drastic pullback? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $7.30. So that is definitely the key priority. In fact, I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance because in my opinion right now, breaking levels of resistance, not a big priority at all. Top priority for the chart is just to simply go through healthy consolidations and start to build higher bases, because as long as there's higher lows being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now things transition to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.